Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rikutri Ananda. I want to tell you about the import and inappropriate use of natural resource. Through this short video, my speech. Indonesia does have very natural resource. The conference of the Institute of Esokos Sri Palupi says Indonesia natural will from to sea to the forest natural resource is increasingly being exploited. However, according to him, the use of this natural resource shall not the excessive. This is because extraction of natural resource, which is mostly carried out in the forest, such as mining, palm oil, rubber, and other sources can destroy the local chapter around him. The government shall give more rights to local residents to use natural resources because when local residents make of house them, they will use a natural resource very reasonable so as not to damage the surrounding ecosystem. Direction of the Indonesian conversion community explain that the government support for the welfare of people living around the natural resort area. It is still very minimal, with the acceleration of licensing for foreign investor. The natural resort in Indonesia are rapidly disabling. This exploitation then impact on indigenous peoples in the forest for exploitation area. Their local communication are for to be excluded by the extension of exploration that does not hurt their existence. The Indonesian state, in meeting the needs of the community, can be spared from import active. It is clear that Indonesia has always imported from countries such as Thailand, Colombia, at attention. Every has been well calculated between the demand and supply, as well as the import of sugar and rice that will carried out by Indonesia this year. In retrospect, there are several disks that make the price of local products quite high. Among them is the domestic distribution system that is not good now, so there is request more costs for transportation. People tend to use imported product for reason of good quality and relative affordable price. However, it is not mean that the government import product that enter Indonesia, so that it is hope that important products entering Indonesia can be prejudiced. In order to protection domestic procedure, the government also limits for providers quotas for the entry of imported products into Indonesia. Companies that exist in the own country also can really solve on product protection from the government. Protection of domestic procedure only needs to be done within a certain provision of time, and of course the government must also prepare them to able to company. From what I have said, it would be nice for us as association to be wise in managing natural resource, so that there are no excessive imports. That's all from my speech. More also less apologies, and I say thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.